Hello guys. Today we will talk about Flux Lora installation and it will be a very easy process. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First go to this link. I will drop the link in the comment as always. Download this Flux Fantastic model from here. It's a well-known website for downloading stable diffusion models and Loras. Click on this down arrow and it will start downloading. You need to create a free account here to be able to download though. As I already have the model downloaded, I will cancel it. You can download this Flux Realism Lora model if you want to. After downloading the models, place them to your comfy UI/models/Loras folder. Finally, download the workflow from this link. You can run the workflow here on cloud as well. Click on download and it will download the workflow JSON file. Now drag and drop it to your comfy UI web interface. Well, you have to run comfy UI before that. Now from the manager, update your comfy UI and restart it. As you see, this is not so different from the Flux workflow. So, here's the Flux model loader and I'm using the Flux FP8 model. This is the Lora loader and you can change the Lora from here. I will choose the Fantastic model for now. I'll set the Lora strength to 0.85. Keep the steps at 20. Keep Flux guidance as it is, or you can play with it. For now, I will set the noise to fixed, so we can see if changing the Lora makes any differences or not. Let's run the prompt and wait for it.
One eternity later.
So, here's the generated image. Now let's change the Lora to Flux Realism 1 and change the strength to 0.45. Run the prompt and wait again.
2,000 years later.
So, here's the other image and this is clearly different than the one earlier. This is it for today. If you face any problem, feel free to ask in the comment. Also, if you missed the Flux installation video, I will attach them somewhere on the screen. See you in the next video. Bye.